Hello students, I am Chirajit Bhattacharjee, your drawing and painting teacher. Welcome you all in our online classes of LPS for class 12 section A, B and C. Here in this video, I will discuss with you regarding another painting from the Rajasthan School of Miniature Painting. The title of the painting is Radha, also known as Banithani. So this is the painting. This is the well-known painting to us. We all of us have seen this painting. So today we'll discuss with you regarding this painting. The title of the painting is Radha Banithani. Artist Nihal Chand, Sub School, Krishnanagar. Time period 1760 AD. Medium watercolor. Tempera on paper. Collection National Museum, New Delhi. So let us discuss the subject matter of this painting. Radha Banithani is one of the most well-known painting from Krishnanagar. Nihal Chand's fames rests on this painting, which is highly stylized portrait of Radha. To many, this idealization of Radha is supreme achievement of Rajasthani painting. Hence, it is also called Mona Lisa of India. A postal stamp of Radha was issued by Government of India. So this is the painting which is painted by Nihal Chand from the school of Krishnanagar during 1760. This painting is also known as Indian. This painting is also known as Mona Lisa of India. And in Rajasthani painting, artist has painted so many portrait of Radha, and among those painting, this painting is the best or good example of their artistic activity. This is the best example of from the best portrait of Radhas from the school of Rajasthani miniature painting. So, and Government of India has issued a postal stamp of this painting. So let us discuss the compositional arrangement. This painting of Banithani is highly stylized portrait of Radha. Her face is elongated, receding forehead. She faces elongated and receding forehead like this. She has sharp pointed nose and chin with long fish-like eyes and arch-like eyebrow and thin red lips. She has sharp pointed nose and chin, fish-like eyes and arch-like eyebrows and small red lips. Her long black curly hair flows down her shoulder to her waist, and a lock of hair partly flowing her cheek. See, her curly hair flow down to her towards her shoulder, and a small lock of hair shown on her cheek. Her long, tapering finger of left hand is holding two lotus buds. Her left hand can be fairly compared with the right hand of Mona Lisa. She is delicately holding the edge of her odni with her right hand. See, this is her left hand, which is holding two lotus buds, and this left hand is can be compared with the right hand of Mona Lisa, and the right hand of this painting of Radha is holding the edge of her dupatta. And see, the dupatta is the border of the dupatta is decorated with golden color, and the transparent dupatta also decorated with golden motifs. Her palm slightly shaded with red color. And see, the palm is slightly shaded with red color. Her odni is decorated with golden motifs, and her dress and jewelries reflect the taste of contemporary Rajput royals. As I have told you, that transparent odni or dupatta, which is decorated with golden color and golden design, and her tradition and her garments which is Radha is wearing, it's reflect the traditional taste of the Rajput royals. Radha's Orni is painted to look transparent to reveal the whiteness of her marble white skin. That why this transparent drapery reflect the marble white skin. That is the beauty of Radha. Witness the beauty of Radha. The background of this painting in dark blue color. Her smile is elegant, mysterious. The smile of Radha is very mysterious, and see the background of this painting is painted in light blue color. Her eyes reflect the ideal feminine beauty of classical Sanskrit literature. She is painted as an ideal of Indian womanhood and easily be compared to Mona Lisa. Color scheme. The background of the painting is bluish gray. So the background of the painting is bluish gray, and Radha is wearing blouse of scarlet or red color and transparent odni. The blouse of Radha is scarlet red color or red color and transparent odni with golden border and design. Lotus buds are painted in pink color. Lotus buds are painted in pink color. Lot of pearl jewels is shown in white color. So lot of pearl jewels are shown in white color. So this is what about this painting. So thank you, student, for watching.